Hello guys, it's me Jayan. This is my project on Mission AI. This is named as Subdoc Mission AI, and this is based on a social problem called as suicide. Let's check this script and all. So I have made this script like to get an idea. First there are two characters Rashi and Ram. Ram is very sad due to because uh, he is very worried about the children who are doing suicide due to suicide. Let's see the project. Hey Ram, why are you looking so sad? No, nothing. Is there any issue? Um, don't be afraid with me. I am a good friend, yes? You are my best friend, but so the problem to me. Okay. Last night, when I was watching news on television, the reporter was talking about a suicide case in which a child plays a game called Free Fire. He wrote a suicide note talking to his mother about that he took a loan of 40,000 from his friend to spend in the game. He got very depressed because when the chance came to pay the money, he was not able to pay it. Now, when they started messaging the boy to pay the money, at the last, the boy got so depressed that he suicided. So this is the reason why I am sad. Happened very bad with the boy. He is not only the boy who have done suicide due to the same reason. There are many children who have suicide due to the same reason. We have to think about it. It is very necessary. Okay, let's go to my home and talk about it.
A few moments later.
We reached home now. Let's talk about the solution of the suicide cases. Okay, let's think about it. We have to get an idea as soon as possible. I got an idea. What is the idea? Tell me about it. I will not tell you about it today, but you will be knowing it very soon. Can you give me a hint, so please? We are going to make a project on PictoBlocks. The hint is that we are going to entertain our audience with many artificial intelligence. Good idea. Let's start our project. Our project name is Subdoc Mission AI. So this was the script for like knowing that is a suicide case. Now there are many games in it which can entertain you. I am not telling you that don't play Free Fire. You can play many games. You can play Free Fire too, but play in a limit. Nowadays, we don't have a limit to play. We are so much addicted that we cannot stop for a minute to play. And no, so many children have taken a loan and buy some game currency and were showing their collection to many others. So that's a bad thing. So let's check out the game. There is a beetle game. There, there is a script written like if I press E, every other character or script or sprite will not be shown. That is, when A is pressed, it is hide. So let's check out the game. It can be done as same as like that. And if you touch the black line, you will be on the same spot where you was before. So let's now talk about the script. There is a point in direction 0 which will make your project stand still like straight. Your size of the sprite is 55. If you touch color, you will be pointed in direction 90 and you will go to the same spot like let's see, go to X 139, that is here. And if you touch color red, your game will stop. There is a script also written, if key up arrow key pressed, then you will be stripped. Then the main role was of point in direction. This will show the direction where you want to go. Now let's check out the next game. This is a game in which we will catch an apple. So you have to press the key F. When I press F, the game starts. Let's check out the game. And if you don't touch the apple, your game will stop and your score will be 0. Now, let's check out the script. When F key is pressed forever, change Y by -5. This is used for apple. Change Y by -5 because when the apple will drop, it will go like this. And go to random position is used for like then the apple will go in a random position. We don't know about the position. Set Y to 180. So Y is selected as 180 because we want to get the apple go from up to the below. And there is a script written for like if we touch the bowl, start sound collect. It will make a sound collect and it will directly go into a random position and the location is as we know 180. Our score, there is a variable we have added which is score. Score is used for only this and only this script or sprite. If touching color brown, the game will stop and the score will be 0. Now let's check the script of the bowl. Bowl didn't have a lot of things to write. It only had if key right arrow key is pressed, then change x by -10 or 10. This was the only thing. This is the most interesting game which I have made. Let's check out the game. C. If we press C, the game starts.
When
And
you
I have
feel
added
it's
a background.
hopeless, when you think
Like,
that you
there is
lost,
a
oh, I
hole
will
here.
take your hand and we'll rise
And
up
when
from
the
the dust. Oh,
virus
here we
or
go,
the
go,
fish
go, let
is
us
touched,
heal and
it
grow.
makes
You
a
won't
sound
be
ouch.
alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
I think you got a demo of this game. Let's check out the script. This is the script of the virus or the pufferfish. Switch to costume 1. Pick random position because it is written as wait pick random position. If we will know the time, then when it will come, then there will be no fun to play. So it is pick random 1 to 10. Repeat next costume. So after every one costume, it changes in 0.075 seconds. And there is a if 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 block used for like there is an operator also. If touching hammer and direction of hammer is 60, then change score by 1. Start sound bing boing. When if the sprite is touched with a hammer, then it will make a noise called oink and it will say ouch. And the script of the hammer is if mouse down. So if mouse is clicked, it goes down and it turns 10° to below and then it comes 10° upward. And pointing direction -30. This is the direction which is given to it. And go to mouse pointer. After giving this block, the hammer goes with my mouse pointer. So this was the only thing which was used for hammer. Now let's check of the backdrops. There are like control blocks here and switch to costume block. There was sound given to two backgrounds like that C1. This one game was given as the song called Rise Up, and this one a few moments later was given the sound a few moments later. And there are like same as when we click F, then then the game will start and the background will switch. If we click C, then another game will
When you
start
feel
and it will be switched. As simple as you think. So this was my project. Hope you were happy with this project. I was sorry because I was not able to make anything with artificial intelligence. Hope you liked it. Bye. Have a nice day.